Hello everyone, and hope you're having a wonderful evening. Thanks for checking out this video. It is Monday night, June 15th, 2015, and it's getting close to midnight here. Just want to take a couple of minutes to update you on what we've been watching in the Gulf for the last couple of days. You may remember last night I was talking to you about Invest 91L, and tonight rather, this system has finally been upgraded to Tropical Storm Bill. Hurricane hunters have been going in and out of the system all day and didn't really find a very well-defined center of circulation to at least give them enough of a reason to upgrade it to Tropical Storm Bill, even though there were tropical storm force winds really occurring with this thing since last night. But finally tonight they did find a better looking signature for the circulation center, and that did prompt them to upgrade this to Tropical Storm Bill, the second named storm of the 2015 Atlantic hurricane season. Now, it's pretty close to the coast already. It's only 155 miles to the south-southeast of Galveston, and on the track that it's moving now, which is northwest of 12, it'll make landfall sometime tomorrow, really in the mid to late morning hours, the middle Texas coast, say between Port O'Connor and Galveston, somewhere in there. Split the difference and say around Matagorda Bay. That's basically about south of Victoria, Texas, if you're familiar with that area. So the worst of the weather will certainly be over that way. And if you remember, last night I was basically giving you a rundown of what to expect across our area, and really that hasn't changed much. We're going to see off and on squally weather through the day on Tuesday, where we'll pick up a couple inches of rain, a little bit more in some places, and especially further west you go towards Beaumont and even over towards Houston. Houston may get 6 to 10 inches if the heavier rain axis sets up over them, but our average rainfall here will be 1 to 4 inches with a few higher amounts, like I said. And there's a couple of other minor things to be concerned about. Some coastal flooding is going to occur. There's a coastal flood warning out for Jefferson County, Cameron Parish, Calcasieu Parish, and Vermilion Parish as well. And just from tides running about 2 to 4 feet above normal because of the long fetch southeasterly flow from the storm itself. Now this will subside on Tuesday as the storm moves inland. We'll also see some gusty winds, maybe up to 40 miles per hour at times along and south of I-10, but wind is not really going to be a big issue. It is the flooding threat, and the flooding threat will be much greater over Texas, and there's a flash flood warning for southeast Texas. Not a flash flood warning, but a flash flood watch for southeast Texas through Wednesday morning. There might be some warnings come out during the day as the heavier rain set up over the area. But for Louisiana, there are no flash flood watches in our area, and I don't really anticipate that right now unless this thing were to have its rain spread out further to the north and east, or if the center would veer off more to the north and east. But that doesn't look likely. We'll see about an 80% chance of some squalls from time to time on Tuesday, and we will see conditions improving as we get into Wednesday. We'll start to transition back into our normal summertime regime. There'll still be a decent chance for showers and thunderstorms on Wednesday with a lot of leftover moisture as the remnants of Bill pull away into the Great Plains and into the Midwest. Actually, flash flood watches extend well up through Texas, including Dallas, all the way into Oklahoma, including Oklahoma City, parts of Arkansas, and then arcing over into the Midwest through parts of Illinois and Indiana, where they've been having rain for the last couple of days from a couple of other weather systems moving across the country, but the remnant moisture from Bill will actually move up that way as we go into the second half of the week. For us, we'll get back into our normal summer pattern with just a 30 to 40% chance of afternoon showers and thunderstorms by the time we get to Thursday, and temperatures will once again heat up with highs back into the lower mid-90s and lows in the mid-70s. Not like we haven't heard that weather around here before. There's nothing else going on in the tropics, but again, I just wanted to kind of give you a rundown of what to expect tomorrow. You can read more, of course, in my discussion on Facebook. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them right there, and I'll answer them back as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a great night and a great Tuesday, and God bless.